NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price has started from this price level here, where the price managed to form this bullish breakout on Tuesday. We can see after that the price in the next 3 days has continued to rise in value, where the NASDAQ has continued this bullish movement. A weekly time frame shows us currently a bullish breakout above 20,000 as a round number, which is indicating further rise in value where the bulls are ruling on the market. So currently this is only the first week in this month, so everything still looks bullish. The price is currently forming a bullish breakout on the monthly time frame about 20,000, which is the important resistance level, and currently we can see that the next level is 21,000 as the target. So will the price manage to reach that? It is the best to see on the lower time frame. So we can see that very important that the resistance level, support level is around 20,000, and below it is 19,700. So will the price manage to hold that? We can see this is the bullish weekly breakout. The next week the price should not return all the way back down below 20,000. If this doesn't happen, this will mean that this bullish breakout has been confirmed, indicating further rise in value, and this is something that is expected. Now we can see how this looks on the daily time frame. The price has formed a bullish breakout. The price did not return on the next day, just to confirm this previous resistance, now acting as a support, which is indicating a strong bullish movement, which is expected in the next week. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.